What happens when we sneeze, and why do we do it? Imagine you're walking through the park on a breezy spring morning. It begins with a subtle itch, a whispering tickle deep within your nose. You pause, eyes narrowing, the sun is warm, your nose tingles, your eyes squint further, and before you can stop it, a sneeze erupts. Violent, instant, loud. People glance, you feel embarrassed. Maybe you mutter a sheepish sorry. It's funny, we think of sneezes as inconveniences. They might interrupt meetings, startle strangers on buses, and often leave us red-faced. But sneezes aren't flaws, they're actually ancient protective reflexes. Sneezes are nature's emergency eject button. Sneezing is a protective mechanism, helping get rid of foreign bodies and irritants like viruses, bacteria, and other bugs. In essence, they protect you from potential harm.